good.
Saturday.
This looked like a fun sandwich. I'm not sure mayo and salt and pepper alone will really flavor it up, but I think there's something to work with here. Maybe you could add flavors. We gotta try it. 1943 garden sandwich. It was crunchy. Bacon's really good. Wow. I want a piece of pickle. Let me take a piece of pickle. The original recipe said you could use whole wheat or white bread. Didn't mention toast. I really thought toast would go good with this. Let's take another bite. Man, the bacon's really good. And it's got a lot of crunch. I actually think that's a perfect amount of cabbage. Seriously. Take one more bite. That was very easy. Boy, the bacon tastes really good in there. I like that. It's kind of pretty. $1943 garden sandwich. Thanks for joining me this
Saturday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.